Oh, it stinks. Okay, hurry, Maddie. Right there. There's one. No, that right there.
No,
that's
look at
it.
Look at the other side of it. It was all nasty.
I'm recording.
My gosh. Oh, what is that? Okay, hurry, Maddie. Go. I got this bite for about 5 minutes.
I got yours ready for you. Oh, thank goodness, got one.
It's like one onion on. What is that gonna do? Okay. Oh, eat it.
Wait, what's this green stuff?
So she puts it up. Okay.
No, I'm not ready.
Put some more lime on there.
Oh, I almost dropped it in the bowl of bones. It even smells bad.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. She's gonna throw up. She's gonna barf.
Oh, no.
It was really limey. It was really squishy.
The texture was what made it bad because you
sank right through it. It was like you were chewing on a paper towel.
A wet paper towel.
Hey, tell us what you think.
It was disgusting.
But we made it really limey.
Yeah.
That's all you have to say.
We made it limey. I couldn't taste it, but I chewed once and then swallowed the whole thing together.
I think
I don't know. Did you not eat it?
I don't know where it went.
Did you not eat it?